Hey guys, Mike here, Red's Auto and Truck. Today the car we're bringing to you is all about economy. If you're looking for an economical, affordable, and reliable car, this is the one for you. This is a 2017 Nissan Versa, just over 27,000 miles. Vehicle was just serviced in our shop with 4 new tires, fresh oil change, complete checkup, so you are good to go. This vehicle is still under manufacturer's warranty for about another 2 years on the powertrain. As you can see in the photos, this vehicle does have hail damage. It is absolutely 100% a clean title and a clean Carfax. So we believe that this vehicle sustained hail damage while on the dealer's lot when it was brand new, because at this point it does not show on the Carfax. Again, does not affect how the vehicle runs, drives, and you do still have 2 years of manufacturer's warranty left. We did install brand new tires. Nice all-season tire there. Let's get it opened up there. This thing again is all about economy. Manual roll-up windows. One less thing to break for you. However, very safe car, does have traction stability control, ABS brakes. Let's go ahead and get this fired up, keep that from beeping there on us. $27,077 miles. No dash lights. Again, you are under factory warranty. Does have AM, FM, CD. Does have air conditioning. And the anti-theft option, as you can see there, a 5-speed manual transmission. Does have audio controls here on the steering wheel. Again, if you're looking for a commuter car, this is absolutely perfect. Phenomenal gas mileage, factory warranty, super reliable, and very clean inside. And very clean outside, just has a little bit of hail damage. See, a little dark in there, I know, but the interior is in excellent condition. Make our way around here to the front. Show you the 4-cylinder engine under here. You can kind of see that hail damage a little bit more there. You guys can see that. Very clean engine bay. Again, this is a one-owner, accident-free Carfax. Again, we believe the hail occurred while it was on the dealer's lot new. Still has its little factory VIN tags there. You can always see more info at our website, www.redsautoandtruck.com, or give us a call, 303-726-5520. We always have about 100 cars, trucks in stock. And remember, we never charge a dealer handling or documentation and prep fee. And most vehicles come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. So with over 100 vehicles in stock, I'm sure that there's something for everyone here. Here's a quick pan around of our showroom. Again, check us out on the web, redsautoandtruck.com, or give us a call. Thanks for watching.